Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today is another Doll a Week video. So as you can see, this is the Doll of the Week, and her name is Coral. I got her from Tammy. So years ago, one of Tammy's followers reached out to her and said she had a whole bunch of AliExpress Blythe dolls that she was wanting to gift to Tammy. When they got there, she unboxed them, and I'd been looking for a redhead. And there was this gal and another girl in the box. So Tammy let me choose, and I chose this one right here. Isn't she pretty? At the time, I was wanting to do a mermaid, and so I was kind of thinking, you know, the Ariel thing going on here. And I do believe I dressed her up as a mermaid. I'm trying to think. I think there was a collab going on. It was long before we did our virtual Blythe retreat mermaid. And I'm trying to remember. I don't remember when it was, but I bet I could go back and look at my videos, probably on my other channel, which is Making Jewelry with Tappingflamingo. But anyway, let's get back to her. And this is a little cute outfit. My sister gave it to me for my birthday a couple of years ago, and I thought it's perfect. I think this girl looks a lot like, even though she does look like a mermaid, I think she looks a lot like a Maury girl. And here, this outfit is very Maury. Isn't it cute? So when I got her, first thing I did was I made her a charm with her name on it. Of course, I had to put a little shell on there. And then I fixed her hair. And I just braided. I think I did this when she was a mermaid, actually, when I'm thinking about it. But I just took her hair, 2 pieces, and then a piece of cording there. What is that? Oh, it's just part of that. Anyway, I braided it all together and came up with this look. And I think it works well with this outfit too. So let's look at her eye chips. Oh, and there's something else I want to show you too. So she's semi-custom. I don't know if anything was really done with her face. I know some of her eye chips were changed out, but look at this. I've always wanted to do something like that, but I'm not a very good artist. But that's pretty cool. I think that's Tinkerbell on there. All right, let's see. Let's look at her eyes. So we have the blue. Those are always one of my favorites. And then we're going to pull it and see what happens. Whoops. Okay, she's all tangled in her hair here. Well, maybe they didn't change her eye chips out. So those are the side-facing brown. Whoops. Okay. Oh, I remember now. So this looks like it was custom, but one of them fell out. And I don't think it's in her head, so I don't know where it went. I need to fix that. Which means I need to take that one out, and I think I'd put green ones in there, because I already have blue. All right, let's see. Oh, and the side-facing gray. So those are nice. I think I'll keep it on the side-facing gray, because it'll match her pants there. Here's her little purse. And I plan to keep her in this. Now, maybe on down the line, she'll say, hey, I want out of this and I want to do something else. So it's not 100% that she's going to stay this way, but right now it's like 99%. Isn't she cute? Anyway, I want to thank you all for joining me, and you have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette along with Coral signing out for now. Bye-bye.